In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dripping text effect in Canva. This is a simple, eye-catching style that looks great on posters, thumbnails, and social graphics, and you can build it entirely with Canva's built-in tools. First, open Canva and choose a template that matches your final use. You can start with a blank design or pick a ready-made layout. Either way, it gives you a canvas with the right dimensions so you don't have to resize later. Next, click the text option on the left sidebar, then select Add a heading. Type the word or phrase you want to turn into dripping text. Short, bold words tend to pop the most, but this works with longer phrases too. Now change the font to something that suits the effect. A bold script or heavy display font usually sells the drip look best. I'm using Milestone script here because the thicker strokes leave room for the drips to sit naturally. Once you've picked a font, resize the text so it fills your layout comfortably and is easy to read at a glance. Before we add the drips, set your colors. Click the background and choose a color that helps your text stand out. Then change the text color to a contrasting tone. High contrast makes the dripping edges more visible and gives the whole design a cleaner, more intentional look. With the text ready, click Elements in the sidebar and search for drip graphics. You'll see a variety of shapes: curvy, long, short, and stylized. Insert a drip element that complements your font and change its color to match the text color so everything feels cohesive. Insert another drip image as well and match its color too. Place the drips along the edges of your letters so it appears as if the text is melting or oozing. Use the alignment guides to keep things neat and consistent. Resize the drip elements to fit your letter shapes. Smaller drips can accent tight corners, while longer ones look great under wider strokes. Add a few more drip elements to build variety, spacing them so they don't overwhelm the word. This balance is what makes the effect look deliberate rather than messy. Finally, adjust and resize until the edges meet cleanly and the spacing feels even. When you're happy, click Share and download your design as a PNG. PNG preserves crisp edges and keeps your text looking sharp wherever you use it. That's it. Your dripping text effect in Canva is complete. Try different fonts and color pairings to create unique variations for your projects.